Pranam.
Pranam, sir.
My lord, may I be permitted to declare the inaugural function open?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Thank you, my lord. The function is open. Namaskar and a very good morning to one and all. The Nyayalaya Act 2008 was enacted to provide for the establishment of Nyayalayas at the grassroots level for the purposes of providing access to justice to the citizens of at their doorsteps and to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen due to social, economic, or other disabilities. I feel it very proud to place it before the dignitaries present here that the Nyayalaya Korukunda at Malkangiri in the Judgeship of Malkangiri is going to be inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Justice in presence of Honorable Judges of this court, which would be the 19th Nyayalayas out of 24 notified by the Government of Orissa. On this pious occasion, I feel it privileged to say that under the able guidance of Honorable Chief Justice Dr. S. Muralidhar, many new courts are made functional in the state of Odisha during the year 2021 and 22. The addition of Nyayalaya Korukunda at Malkangiri is just the beginning in this year, and we are sure many more new courts will be made functional during this year too, which will definitely help the people at grassroots level to access justice. We welcome you, sir. I may also mention that the gracious presence of our honorable judges on all the occasions encourages us to march ahead, and their support and guidance means a lot to us. We welcome honorable judges of this court who are present with us in person and virtual mode for their kind presence. We welcome you, sir. We welcome my brother officers in the registry, the learned district judge, the judicial officers of the district of Malkangiri, and other judicial officers who have joined us through our YouTube channel. We also welcome the learned president, learned secretary, other office bearers, and the members of the Bar Association of Malkangiri for their kind presence. We welcome the district magistrate, superintendent of police, and other government officers of the Malkangiri district, and the employees of the Malkangiri courts who are present in this occasion. We further welcome the print and electronic media personalities who are present on this occasion. My lord, may I request the Honorable Chief Justice Dr. S. Muralidhar to kindly inaugurate the Nyayalaya Korukunda at Malkangiri in the Judgeship of Malkangiri. Thank you, my lord. Now may I request Akhil Kumar Paschim Kabat, our Register Administration in charge, High Court of Orissa, to please read out the notification of the establishment of the Nyayalaya. Mr. Kabat.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Government of Odisha, Law Department, notification number 6498L, dated 6th June 2022. In exercise of the powers conferred by subsection 1 and subsection 2 of section 3, read with section 4 of the Nyayalaya Act 2008, Act 4 of 2009, the state government, after consultation with the High Court of Orissa, do hereby establish a Nyayalaya for Korukunda Panchayat Samiti in the district of Malkangiri with effect from the date the said court functions, which shall have its territorial jurisdiction over the local limits coextensive with the limits of jurisdiction of Korukunda Panchayat Samiti, and the headquarters of the Nyayalaya shall be located at Malkangiri till the establishment of a separate infrastructure at Korukunda. The Nyayalaya so established shall exercise both civil and criminal jurisdiction in the manner and to the extent provided under the said Act by the order of the Governor Pratap Kumar Patra, Principal Secretary in charge to the government.
Thank you, Mr. Kabat. Now, may I request Sri Satyaprakash Rai Chaudhary, the CPC of this honorable court, to kindly present the video presentation of the newly opened Nyayalaya. Mr. Chaudhary, please. thank you, Satyaprakash Raj Chaudhary. And may I now request Honorable Mr. Justice M.S. Raman, Judge, Honorable High Court of Orissa, and the Administrative Judge of Malkangiri Judgeship to kindly address the gathering. Sir, please.
Namaskar to all. All of you presenting. Honorable Dr. Justice, as well as esteemed my esteemed colleagues, the District Judge of Malkangiri, the judicial officers watching and participating in this program in virtual mode at Malkangiri, officers of Register of District, office bearers of Bar Association at Malkangiri and other members of the bar, officers of the state government. Today, 2nd February, and today is also Thursday, which is called Sri Jagannath Day. On this auspicious occasion, for all of us to have our dream come true, and with the constant guidance and advice of our Chief Justice, it could be possible to open Gram Nyayalaya at a far distant place, like Malkangiri.
Just, I request the presiding officer to kindly take the seat, please. Yeah. Yes. Correct.
Significantly, with the establishment of Gram Nyayalaya at Korukunda, with the arrangement at Malkangiri, is a step towards advancement towards justice at doorstep. Clearly, I would say that it is not only heading towards justice at doorstep, but reaching at each citizen who is in need of justice and waiting for justice. Gone are the days when litigant was thinking of not only expenditure towards litigation to get justice, but substantial time and energy spent in the process of getting justice. But time is changed now. Today, with the advancement of technology and introduction of e-court system, sitting at the corner of home, litigant not only can file petition, but also argue his cause by engaging lawyer or otherwise. And now, with the advent of technology, downloaded copies of orders could be used. For the establishment of Gram Nyayalaya, we must congratulate each one who has relentlessly tried to get support from the state government with the roadmap that is set for establishment of Gram Nyayalaya with the active monitoring of our Honorable Chief Justice. We should not remain contented by saying that the goal is achieved. It is not, it is the end. We should not remain as it is the end of the road. But in fact, it is the beginning. We all should collectively try to march ahead to achieve the target, that is the dispensation of justice. The Nyayalaya concerned is conferred with power to take up the matters relating to his territorial jurisdiction and is supposed to attend the cases with due promptitude and with the coordination and supporting staff. He is required to accomplish the task of judicial work so that the fruits of special court like Gram Nyayalaya can be enjoyed by the citizens. Congratulating everyone, I conclude by saying that when the poor and needy get inexpensive Gram Nyayalaya to make justice free and fair, the purpose for which we all have gathered today will be fulfilled. With this, I remain. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord, for such nice and encouraging words. Now may I request, and it's my privilege to request Dr. S. Muralidhar, Chief Justice, High Court of Orissa, to kindly address the gathering on this auspicious occasion. My lord, please.
Pranam, Vande Utkala Janani. A very warm good morning to all my colleagues present here with me in the High Court and the two of our colleagues who have joined online. The District and Sessions Judge Malkangiri, Srimati Ajanta Sadangi, Shri Vishal Singh, the Collected District Magistrate Malkangiri, Shri Nitesh Wadhwani, the SP Malkangiri, Shri Prakash Chandra Mohanty, President, District Bar Association, Malkangiri. Shri Narsingacharan Mohanty, Secretary, District Bar Association, Malkangiri. The judicial officers present there in Malkangiri, including Shri Debendranath Bagh, the presiding officer of the Gram Nyayalaya, which we have just inaugurated. All the lawyers present in Malkangiri, my own registry officers headed by the Registrar General, my CPC, all the staff present both here and in Malkangiri, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very significant day for the Judgeship of Malkangiri, which is the southernmost district of Orissa. If one sees the map of Orissa, Malkangiri is literally the southernmost tip, and geographically, the court that we've just inaugurated at Korukunda, it's a tahsil, which is just about 15 kilometers. The headquarters of the tahsil is just 15 kilometers from Malkangiri, which is why we have housed the court within the premises of the district court headquarters. But it is extremely significant for the people of Malkangiri. Acknowledging the needs of justice for every person in Odisha is indeed a very important step. I remember Srimati Sadangi's predecessor, Srimati Rekha Prasad, who was the district and sessions judge Malkangiri, disclosed to me when we opened the previous court at Kudumal Guma that for the people of Kudumal Guma, it was as if they were being acknowledged for the first time by the state. We are definitely an important instrumentality of the state, an organ of the state, the judiciary. And for the judiciary to make its presence felt among the people was extremely significant for the people there. I am sure the people today in Korukunda would feel the same way. These may be small gestures, but extremely significant gestures. And it's not just a gesture. It is actually assuring the people that the constitution works, the legal system works, the judicial system will work for them. This is the promise that we hold out. This is the expectation that people have of the legal system, of the judicial system. And this is perhaps the first step, as Justice Raman was saying, this is perhaps the first step we are taking to assure the people of Korukunda that the justice system works for them. These are tribal people who've lived there for many centuries, who've had their own way of life, who have perhaps a lot to teach to all of us about how to be in harmony with nature and how to be content. It's a learning experience for all of us, and particularly judicial officers in this district of Malkangiri. I would consider those judicial officers extremely fortunate. I would consider those lawyers practicing there extremely fortunate. Why I say this is that we'll be introducing a section of the population, perhaps for the first time, to our legal system, to our judicial system. This is an opportunity to show them the best face of that legal system. Others may have had disappointing experiences with the legal system, but for this set of people who are probably going to encounter it at their doorstep, some of them for the first time, this is the way to tell them how the system works and how well it can work, how efficiently it can work, how it can be not traumatizing, as they've heard maybe from others about how the system works elsewhere. I want the system to be inclusive. I want the system to acknowledge the problems that people face. And we must all work together to mitigate their miseries. People come to our courts with a variety of problems. They must go away from our courts feeling less burdened. For the people of Korukunda, that must be the experience they will have in the Gram Nyayalaya at Korukunda. For the judicial officer presiding over this court, this is something that will have to be borne in mind, that you will be the first point of contact for many of these people. They will be looking to you and looking at the entire judicial system not just in Odisha, but the country. They will know what a judge looks like. They will know what a lawyer looks like. They will know how the laws are interpreted, how the laws are put in practice. This is a learning experience for them as much as it is for you. We all must continue to be relevant for the people for whom we serve. We must remember this, that this is a public institution. This is an institution working for the people, and it must continue to serve the people. It must continue to hold out the constitutional promise of equal and fair justice that is written into the preamble. So let this be a good experience for the people of Korukunda, for the people of Malkangiri. Let it be a good experience for the lawyers, for the judicial officers presiding over these courts. Let it be a learning experience for all of us. And let us make sure that through all these measures, we continue to strengthen the judicial system in Odisha and make it work for the people. I'm extremely happy that we are continuing in the same vein that we did in the years 2021 and 2022 by opening new courts in various corners of Odisha, just to bring the justice system closer to the people and to help them achieve the dream that the Constitution holds out of equal and fair justice. I congratulate all those who have been involved in this event, and it's been very well organized. I must thank everyone for organizing it so well. I congratulate the people of Korukunda. I congratulate the lawyers, the judicial officers in Malkangiri on this very historic moment for all of them. Thank you very much. Vande Utkala Janini and Jai Hind.
Thank you, my lord. We assure that the Nyayalaya Gramanel Korukunda and all the stakeholders will definitely take note of the advice rendered by your lordship. And now at the end, I would like to request Sri Avila Senapati, Registrar Records, High Court of Orissa, to kindly extend vote of thanks to the dignitaries and to seek permission of the chair to declare the function closed. Mr. Senapati, please.
Namaskar. A very warm good morning to everyone in this crisp February morning. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let us always remember the great words of Magna Carta. To none shall we deny justice, to none shall we delay justice. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had once said, justice in India should be simple, speedy and cheap. We are grateful to Dr. Justice S. Muralidhar, Chief Justice, High Court of Orissa, who has been spearheading all the development work in the state judiciary since more than 2 years now, and has been working tirelessly to ensure that people of the state get proper and timely access to justice. Thank you, my lord. We congratulate the people of Korukunda for inauguration of the new court of Nyayalaya Korukunda at Malkangiri. We believe that the new court would fulfill the hopes of the people of Korukunda. We express our gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Murari Sri Raman, the Administrative Judge for Judgeship of Malkangiri, for having spared his valuable time and spoken on this august occasion. Thank you, my lord. We express our deepest gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Jaswant Singh, Judge, High Court of Orissa, Honorable Mr. Justice Subhashish Talapatra, Honorable Dr. Justice Vidyut Rangan Sarangi, Honorable Mr. Justice Arindam Sinha, Honorable Mr. Justice Sangam Kumar Sahu, Honorable Mr. Justice Mruganga Sekhar Sahu, Honorable Mr. Justice Aditya Kumar Mahapatra, Honorable Mr. Justice V. Narsingh, Honorable Mr. Justice Viraja Prasanna Satpathy, Honorable Shri Justice Sanjay Kumar Mishra, Honorable Mr. Justice Gauri Shankar Satpathy, Honorable Mr. Justice Chittaranjan Das, for attending today's function despite their lordship's busy schedule. Their lordship's kind presence has been an inspiration for all of us. We are also grateful to Honorable Dr. Justice Sanjeev Kumar Panigrahi and Honorable Ms. Justice Sabitri Ratha, who have joined us through virtual mode. Their lordship's kind presence has been a constant source of encouragement to us. The honorable judges who could not remain present today due to personal inconvenience have extended their warm, heartfelt wishes to the people of Korukunda Malkangiri. We are grateful to their lordships. We thank respected District Judge Malkangiri, Madam Ajanta Sarangi, and judicial officers of Malkangiri, along with judicial officers throughout the state for attending this event through virtual mode. We also thank the President, office bearers, and members of Korukunda Bar Association and members of District Bar Association Malkangiri for attending this event. We also thank the officers of the local administration of Malkangiri and Korukunda of the district for their support. We are thankful to our very efficient Central Project Coordinator and his dedicated team for their continued and dedicated support. We thank the court staffs and all others who have contributed for today's function. We also thank the print and electronic media who never seem to be tired of carrying our message to the public. Thank you. May I now seek permission of the chair for closure of the function?
Yes, please.
Thank you, my lord. The function is declared closed.
Thank you.